How to fix Zangi black screens issue. Getting a black screen when you open the Zangi, yeah, that's a common thing, but usually pretty easy to fix. Let's walk through a few quick things. First up, did you just try closing the app completely and opening it again? Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down from your phone recent apps list or your computer taskbar. Give that a shot. So does it look normal now? If not, let's think about your internet. Is your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection stable right now? Sometimes a shaky connection can cause the display problems like this. Maybe try switching connection quickly and see if that helps the black screen disappear. Still black? Okay. Next step. Let's check for the update. Head over to the phone's App Store or the Google Play Store. Google Play Store for the Android and App Store for the iPhone. Let's go to the Play Store and here you can see my Zangi app is already updated as there is open option. And if you find an update right over here, simply tap on it. Running an older version can definitely cause weather issues. And classic fix. Have you tried restarting your device? Seriously, turn your phone or the computer completely off, wait for a second and turn it back. This refreshes everything and clear temporary glitches. Try these steps in order. Usually one of them will get Zangi back to show you what you need to see instead of just that black screen. Hopefully that sorts it out for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.